Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Himanshu. I'm one of the instructors from YogaUnion Bali. When you finish your 200 hour, something beautiful happens. Your practice opens, your curiosity expands. But many students tell us, I see the potential inside me, but I'm not fully confident yet. And this is exactly where the 300 hour journey starts. The 300 hour is not just another course, it's deepening. It's a moment when everything starts aligning from your 200 hours. Your alignment knowledge, your adjustments, your voice as a teacher. Here you don't just move, you learn to teach with clarity and from your heart. In these weeks, you go through every posture again, from the foundation to the most advanced variation. You learn to see bodies not just as a shape, but you learn how to adjust them safely. And this is when people start saying, now I feel like a teacher. It's not because we tell you so. It's you feel it in your body, in your breath. It's in your understanding and the way you guide another people. If you want to be a professional teacher, the 300 hour gives you the full qualification you need. But even if you don't want to become a teacher, this 300 hour gives you more clarity about your own practice as well. This course transforms your personal practice on the level of the 200 hour cannot reach. It brings maturity, it brings confidence, it brings depths, and most importantly, it brings connection. Here in Bali, surrounding by the natures, surrounding by the people who truly want to grow, you feel held, and we guide you step by step through everything and perfecting alignment to mastering advanced adjustments to create sequencing that carry your energy, not anyone else. If your heart is asking for the next step, trust it. You're ready to expand. Come join us. We are here to guide you to become practitioner, your teacher you're meant to become. Thank you, Namaste, and I hope to see you very soon.